Hello, everyone. Today we're going to do a overall class on trading. If you've been following me, you know that I've been trading for some years now, and I am a teacher, and I have helped many people become very successful trading. So today here we have a pair pulled up called EuroCAD. We're on the 1 hour time frame, and what we're going to do is go ahead and mark this pair up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, come over here, grab my horizontal line, go ahead and add in some support and resistance areas, just like so. Okay, I'm looking for areas where the market has stopped at. The market likes to rinse and repeat itself. Okay, so we're looking for those particular areas. We need to come down here to our left. Okay, add some areas down here to the bottom as well. Then we're going to go ahead and evaluate the trade, evaluate the pair, and see what the market is currently doing. What are the market conditions? Okay, so market conditions have been bearish. The pair has been falling down, as we can see, from this resistance way up here. Okay, so currently, in order for us to get into a trade, we would like to see price go ahead and come underneath the resistance to give us an entry. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We currently don't have that at this moment, but that's what we would be waiting on. Okay, we wait for the move. We wait for price to come underneath our resistance and take our entry. Okay, so again, this is EuroCAD. We're going to go ahead and hop over to our 15-minute as well, and we're going to evaluate price action. Okay, what is price action doing on the 15-minute? So price action on the 15-minute is actually showing us some consolidation right here. Consolidation means that price is going sideways. It's not going straight down. It's not going straight up. It's actually going sideways. Okay, so when price is in consolidation, you want to wait for one or two things. Okay, you want to see price break above consolidation. Okay, or you want to see price go ahead and break beneath the consolidation and take your trade. Okay, so here we are, price in consolidation. So we will wait for the move up. Okay, zone to zone. Okay, so we buy off of this support right here, take it up to this resistance, or we come underneath here and we sell from this resistance, take it on down to this support right here. Okay, so we wait for one or the other setup to happen, and then we will go ahead and collect. Let's see how much. 17 pips right here, or 30, what is that? 30 pips down, okay? So either way it goes, you're going to make money based off of your lot size. Okay, you want to adjust your lot size according to what amount that you have in your account. Okay, you never want to over leverage. You want to trade responsible, and you want to use proper risk management. Okay, so when you join me, I teach you all of those things. Okay, how to use proper risk management, how to actually analyze the market in a more in-depth manner. Okay, how to get in sniper entries. Okay, and all different types of things to help you be a successful trader. All right, guys, so see you the next time.